Hi guys, for today's video is how to set up and use Android's Do Not Disturb mode. All the best Android phones offer Do Not Disturb mode. This setting silences all notifications on your phone. That way you won't be distracted by annoying text messages or emails. But there's more to it than silencing your entire phone. Do Not Disturb can be fine-tuned, making it easy to mute notification for a set of time or in certain situations. So to go on that, let's open the phone settings. Then let's go and tap sound and vibration. Then let's scroll down and let's go to Do Not Disturb. If you toggle that on, so calls and notification will be silenced. If you want to schedule on time, you can change this one whether when you would like to start the Do Not Disturb mode. You can also change to repeat it if you want it all day, all weeks, or if you just want it on weekends. You can also toggle on when the device is locked. It can be also notify about calls from anyone, from contacts only, from starred contacts only. And you can also toggle on notify about repeat calls. It will ring or vibrate while receiving the second call from the same phone number within 15 minutes. So that's it. I hope that you learned something. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it on the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.